So I'm Dr. Thakur. I'm an associate professor here in the College of Veterinary Medicine at NC State. So I work with food animals. I also work with humans in North Carolina, and I've been really interested in the whole One Health concept, where how these pathogens are moving right between animals, humans to animals, vice versa. And really interested in the role of environment. Antimicrobial resistance is a complicated topic, whereas researchers working in the area are still trying to figure the whole thing out. But in the concept of One Health, I always stress that let's look at the environment more closely that is being shared by humans and animals at the same time. Because what we have seen based on my research and other people's research is that the environmental reservoir of these drug resistant genes is tremendous, and it plays a very important role in transferring these resistance genes to different bacterial pathogens, and also in moving these pathogens between human and animals. So I think looking at these problem, a resistance problem from a One Health point of view, I think is very important, and that's where the veterinarians and the physicians actually come and have to play an important role together, working with people who work in the environmental side. We need to have a better interaction between these two groups of researchers, the animal side and the human side. We really cannot solve this problem by focusing on one side. I would like to see more, for example, conferences or platforms that are shared by MDs and veterinarians together. You just cannot take a big broad brush and solve it. You have to deal with which antimicrobial you're talking about, which pathogen you're talking about. And then I think we have to track it down to a single pathogen, single antimicrobial, go one by one. Then I think we can solve the problem, and this has to be solved by veterinarians and by physicians together, working with our folks from the environmental sciences.